Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan and today, Friday 1 December 2023, I have some trade setups to discuss where my favorite directions will be long on the New Zealand, the Aussie and the Swiss, and I would like to short the yen, the US dollar and the euro. My first pick of the day is a potential long on gold, but before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I will show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. Gold still forming this flag pattern I've showed you yesterday. I'm still interested in the retest here. With a weak dollar, I would love to be long again on gold. So at this stage, I'm watching in anticipation that break and then the retest, or then a test of this Fibonacci level here. But I would prefer the break and the retest up there, to be honest. So let's hope that we can get this later today. Then on the pound Swiss, a pound much weaker than the Swiss, busy retracing. Trend has just turned bearish. Fibonacci retracement just beyond the 61% level. Market structure, resistance, support could become resistance yet again. So I'll look for some candle reversals there. In the Aussie US, we took this trade yesterday. It's battling a bit tough, crazy day yesterday on the news, but I did this on the live streaming on YouTube. We had this piercing line, almost a bullish engulfing, so I took the trade there on the long side on the live streaming, and it started out well, and now it's back just below entry. So still opportunity to get in. I would love to add to the trade if it starts to prove itself. So if it breaks through this falling trend line there, it's sort of almost a flag, but let's call it a consolidation pattern. Aussie fighting with a cat for that top spot there. They keep on flicking up and down there. But as long as the Aussie stays much stronger than the dollar, I will add to the trade. Other than that, I'll eat the stop loss. But for now, let's hope it holds here at the 61% FIB level. On the break, I will be looking for 1 hour and 4 hour reversals. Remember, all 1 hour trades needs to be closed by Friday night before market close. Still interested, still good. I just wish it will make white candles. Then the New Zealand yen big swing retracement back to the 50% level, right at market structure here. That's all I can find here, but it's New Zealand. I need to be long New Zealand and short yen. So this is a good pair to look for that direction. And the New Zealand CAD, I thought it's going to break earlier this morning, but it didn't. It just plain give up. But let's see. Still New Zealand CAD is gaining a lot of strength. It's been rallying up the page here, now into the spot here, battling. But nonetheless, New Zealand still got all the sparkle, forming a flag pattern here. You can see there. So if it tests this level and reverse, I'll take a long from here. If it break and retest the flag pattern, I will then also try to get some entries there. Then the Nasdaq, just a plain straightforward consolidation of the patterns. Little trend line. It's not a trend line, I just call it a consolidation. If that stays red, I will step completely away from this. Right, on a weak dollar, I would love to be long. I'm just not getting my opportunity. But if it breaks and that turns back blue, I'll then take some longs on retest and candle pattern reversals. And the Euro CAD, Euro weaker than the CAD. This strong level here, Fibonacci retracement between 50 and 61%. That's the area I'm going to look for top candle reversals. Take some shorts. S&P 500 also busy consolidating. The Dow is run completely out of sync with the S&P 500. I'm actually hoping that the S&P 500 will play catch up on what the Dow Jones did. I couldn't get into the Dow Jones here, but hopefully the S&P 500 and all the US tech can give us entry here. But also consolidating, so if I get a break and a retest, I'll go with this, providing this line stays blue, but this looks better than the Nasdaq. So let's see what happens today. Euro pound, euro way weaker than the pound. I would like to short this. If it gets back to the 61% FIB at market structure there, I'll look for bearish candle reversals. US Swiss, we hit all our targets down the page, all that profits being banked. Now I can't find this level to be confirmed by a Fibonacci level, but I'm still having it up on my list here. It's a very strong level. You can see all the support and perfect resistance. So I'm going to try. As long as the US Swiss looks like that, I'm going to try to find a short there. This is a bit against my trading rules in a certain extent. I need it to be confirmed by a Fibonacci level. It's not at this stage, but let's see what happens there. Pound New Zealand, would love to short here. Pound, weaker than the New Zealand. It's also a way of getting long on the New Zealand, being short here. But I need a retracement first to this structure here, just beyond the 61% level. And that's the area I would consider some shorts on bearish candle reversals. In the DAX, also rallying away from us, weak euro. That means the DAX should be bullish. I've been bullish on these things and I'm not catching them. That's the problem with technical analysis sometimes, or price action for that matter. You see everything, but you can't capitalize on it. It's not the end of the world. On a retracement, I'll get an opportunity, hopefully, back to the 61% level, right at this market structure. If I get a long candle reversal here, I'll then go with the trade. My favorite trade idea for today is a long on the New Zealand US. But first, please let me know in the comments below if you want me to make any specific educational videos for you. And also, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on my daily trade ideas. Now, let's get back to the New Zealand US. Nice flag pattern. We got a strong break yesterday. Now retesting. New Zealand still all the sparkle. Dollar, the black sheep of the market. Busy retesting. I would like to do a 1 hour reversal here and a 4 hour. If I can get both, I'll do them. Any 1 hour reversal, unfortunately, I have to close out tonight. But any 4 hour reversal, I can keep over the weekend. So I would love to get both, that I can capitalize on a short-term move into the evening, but also be able to keep something open for the weekend. But as long as the New Zealand stays much stronger than the dollar, I'm very keen. Otherwise, if it comes back down here, I'll take a long here at this 61% FIP of this last directional swing. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program. Support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link in the description below, which I have been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.